back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of amazing small backyard designs and how to create stunning garden that adds value and beauty to your home ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of feeling cramped and claustrophobic in your small backyard? With a bit of creativity and know-how, you can turn your tiny outdoor space into a haven of peace and beauty. In this video, we'll explore the meaning of a small backyard garden and give you expert tips for designing one that's perfect for your lifestyle. A small backyard garden is a compact outdoor space that's designed to showcase nature's beauty while providing a haven for relaxation and reflection. Whether you have a postage stamp-sized yard or a narrow strip of land behind your house, you can create a stunning garden that transforms your outdoor space into a serene oasis. The benefits of a small backyard garden are many. Not only does it beautify your home and add to its value, but it also provides a place to unwind, de-stress, and connect with nature. In addition, a well-designed garden can be an extension of your home, giving you an extra room to entertain, dine, or simply enjoy the beauty of the outdoors. How to style your small backyard garden. Styling your small backyard garden requires careful planning and attention to detail. Here are some tips to help you create a garden that's both beautiful and functional. Choose a theme. Decide on a theme that reflects your personal style and preferences. Do you prefer a minimalist garden with clean lines and simple plantings, or a lush and tropical paradise with exotic flowers and foliage? Create zones. Divide your garden into functional zones, such as a seating area, a dining area, and a play area for children or pets. This will help you make the most of your limited space. Use vertical space. To maximize your space, use vertical elements such as trellises, walls, and hanging planters to add dimension and interest. Add lighting. Illuminate your garden with strategic lighting to create a warm and inviting ambience. Use solar-powered lights for an eco-friendly and cost-effective option. How to make a small outdoor garden. Creating a small outdoor garden requires some basic knowledge of planting, soil preparation, and maintenance. Here are the steps to follow. Choose the right plants. Select plants that are suited to your climate, soil type, and light conditions. Consider factors such as color, texture, and height to create a visually pleasing arrangement. Prepare the soil. Amend your soil with compost or other organic matter to improve its fertility and drainage. Make sure your soil is well draining to avoid waterlogged roots. Plant and arrange. Plant your chosen plants in an arrangement that complements your garden style and theme. Follow proper planting techniques, such as digging a hole slightly larger than the plant's root ball and adding fertilizer. Water and maintain. Water your plants regularly and monitor their growth and health. Prune and deadhead as needed to promote healthy growth and prevent disease. What can you use for a small garden? When designing a small garden, it's important to use materials that are appropriate for your space and budget. Here are some options to consider. Pavers or gravel. Use pavers or gravel to create a functional and visually appealing surface for your garden. Choose materials that complement your home's architecture and style. Containers. Use containers of various sizes and shapes to create a portable and flexible garden that can be moved around as needed. Choose containers made of durable materials such as terracotta, metal, or fiberglass. Raised beds. Use raised beds to create a defined and organized garden space that's easy to maintain. Raised beds can be made from a variety of materials such as wood, concrete, or metal. Vertical gardens. Use vertical gardens to maximize your space and create a dramatic focal point. You can use a variety of materials for your vertical garden, such as pallets, trellises, or wall-mounted planters. Recycled materials. Use recycled materials such as old tires, barrels, or pallets to create a unique and eco-friendly garden. This is a great way to repurpose materials that might otherwise end up in a landfill. How to make a minimalist garden. Creating a minimalist garden requires a focus on simplicity, functionality, and beauty. Here are some tips to help you create a minimalist garden. Choose a limited color palette. Use a limited color palette of 2 or 3 colors to create a cohesive and harmonious garden design. Use clean lines and geometric shapes. Use clean lines and geometric shapes to create a modern and minimalist garden design. This can be achieved through the use of hardscaping elements such as pavers, walls, and raised beds. Focus on texture. Use texture to add interest and depth to your minimalist garden. This can be achieved through the use of different plant materials, such as succulents, grasses, or ferns. Keep it simple. Keep your garden design simple and uncluttered. Avoid adding too many decorative elements or accessories that can detract from the beauty of your garden. Here are these 10 best small backyard garden ideas. 1. Miniature garden. Create a miniature garden using small-scale plants, tiny accessories, and a creative container such as a terrarium or small pot. 2. Herb garden. Plant a small herb garden using pots or a raised bed. This will provide fresh herbs for cooking and add fragrance to your garden. 3. Succulent garden. Create a succulent garden using a variety of drought-tolerant plants. This is a low-maintenance option that adds texture and interest to your garden. 4. Container garden. Use containers of different sizes and shapes to create a flexible and portable garden. This is a great option for renters or those with limited outdoor space. 5. Vertical garden. Use a trellis or wall-mounted planter to create a vertical garden. This is a great option for small spaces and adds visual interest to your garden. 6. Japanese garden. Create a tranquil Japanese garden using rocks, gravel, and minimalist plantings. This is a great option for those who want a serene and meditative outdoor space. 7. Butterfly garden. Plant a butterfly garden using native plants that attract butterflies and other pollinators. This is a great option for those who want to support local wildlife. 8. Fairy garden. Create a whimsical fairy garden using miniature accessories and a creative container. This is a great option for families with children or those who want to add a touch of magic to their garden. 9. Water garden. Create a water garden using a small pond or fountain. This will add a soothing element to your garden and attract birds and other wildlife. 10. Edible garden. Plant a small edible garden using vegetables, fruits, and herbs. This will provide fresh produce and add beauty to your garden. Transforming your small backyard into a beautiful and functional garden is easier than you might think. By following these expert tips and exploring different garden design ideas, you can create a serene oasis that adds value and beauty to your home. Whether you prefer a minimalist garden or a lush tropical paradise, there's a small backyard garden design that's perfect for your lifestyle and needs. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing small backyard design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.